Hi everyone. In this class we are going to learn about average AC resistance of diode. Okay. Average AC resistance of diode. In previously we learned about DC resistance and AC resistance of the diode. In this class we are going to learn about average AC resistance of diode. Okay. So if you consider a circuit which consisting of a semiconductor diode, we are applying a AC voltage such that the voltage is a very large signal. Okay. So the applied signal is a very large signal, means it has a large voltage swing. Okay. So swing is nothing but it operates between two points, that is maximum to minimum point. Okay, so here it is that swings between 2 points, that is nothing but a maximum point and minimum point. That point we call as a swing. So if we are applying a signal such that it has a very large voltage swing. Okay, so because of that one we are getting a average AC resistance. Okay, whenever we are applying a very large voltage signal which has a very high voltage swing, then the resistance that is offered by a diode, we call that as a average AC resistance. Okay, so better to write, if the applied AC voltage or signal, AC voltage is very large, means it has a large voltage swing, large voltage swing. Then the resistance that is the resistance that is offered by a diode is called average AC resistance. Okay, so here we are applying a very large signal which has a very large voltage swing. Okay, so we are getting a resistance, that resistance we call as a average AC resistance, that is offered by a diode. Okay, average AC resistance. Okay, so now consider a bare characteristics of the diode, then you can get clarity. Okay, what is an average AC resistance, how we calculate it based on the voltage swing. Okay, so let us consider here having 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. Okay, so let us consider here it as a 4 to itself, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So ID in milliamps, and here it is a VD. Okay, so at 0.7 we are having a knee, and after that only, after cutting voltage only, we are having a large amount of current flows inside the circuit which has a diode. Okay, so these are the VI characteristics of the diode. Okay, so the circuit will have a large voltage swing. Okay, the input that we are applying is a large signal which has a large voltage swing, then we get a resistance, that resistance we call as a average AC resistance. Okay, so let us consider point here to here. Okay, so here we are having okay, so this whatever the difference is there in the voltage side, so here it is a delta VD, and here to here we are having a delta ID. So here we are giving a large signal. So here we are having a voltage swing, right? So from here to here, so here it is a maximum point. Here it is a maximum point of voltage, and here it is a minimum point of voltage. So the voltage that is swings between these 2 points. Okay, so the maximum point and minimum point. Okay, so the resistance that is offered by a diode is called as a average AC resistance. So I am connecting these 2 points through a straight line by a straight line. Okay, so I am connecting this maximum point and minimum point with a straight line. So I am getting a straight line. So the negative slope of this straight line is nothing but a average AC resistance. Right, so delta ID by delta VD, then delta ID by delta VD is nothing but a slope of this straight line, right? So we need a resistance such that so the resistance must be a R is equals to delta VD by delta ID. So this is nothing but a average. So AV indicates the average AC resistance of the diode, so which gives rise to a delta VD by delta ID. So this is a straight line, but the negative slope of this straight line is nothing but a average AC resistance of the diode. Okay, so better to write the definition how we get this average AC resistance. Okay, so the average AC resistance of a diode is determined by a straight line, right? Okay, here we are using a straight line, right? This straight line. So by a straight line which is drawn between the two intersections. Okay, so these are two intersection is there, right? So intersection between these 2 points, right? So which is obtained by the maximum and minimum values of voltage, right? So the average AC resistance is of the